Superstar, can we get an interview? So how does it feel?
Well, I mean, I'm 0-5 in my career, so it feels pretty bad.
Oh, really? Yep. That sounds like...
Actually, I'm 0-3 technically.
So what would you do to make...
Because last year I didn't play, so that don't count. I'm not on that team. My first year I didn't play, I'm not on that team. And then this year... Who win it for you?
Over the shoulder.
How do you feel about today's game, sir?
You're back.
How do you feel about today's game, sir?
Every single one.
Can't tackle.
Can't stand up.
That team. Can't tackle one player.
No, we can.
What do you guys need to work on?
We need to have 2 practice
other than everything.
And just tackle him. We can tackle each other. It was just him we couldn't tackle. Like,
They're the worst.
if it was a college player, we would have tackled him.
The all-star of the team walking towards the huddle, all extra late. Hey, number 3! Kill him! Oh, the walk of shame.
So how come you don't come to practice?
Look at. Look at. Cake for days. Wait.
He's skinny, huh? Is he skinny?
Oh, shoot. Where'd he go? Cake. Cake. Say goodbye. Yep, I put a ring on that. I'm kidding. Edit that, Sue. So you better edit that shit.
Look at the homie right there.
This nigga Sean, what the fuck is this nigga?
The homie right there. The Uso.
Oh, why this nigga leaving for this shit? This nigga tripping.
Oregon right here. Mr. Oregon right here. You know,
We got Alabama over here.
You know,
He's the bounce back from Alabama.
You know,
Yeah, he's
went
bounce
from-
back.
couldn't make it at Bama, so I came
He went from USC to Oregon to Texas to
Yeah.
Ole Miss, all the way now to Auburn
And then
to Bama. I was trying to fuck around.
Oh, I was like, nigga, cowboy ball people.
Nah, because when he got up, he was like this.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the game we all anticipated for, the fucking B game.
We got a ref, but we have no ball. We're working on it.
Get the code up on
We got Sue as captain right now for the B side.
Yes. Get the water boy.
We got them players on the sideline.
Sideline players.
We're getting a quick interview right here.
I don't want to interview. Quick interview with you.
So how do you feel? How do you feel about today's game?
Are you really playing? Go! You got it! Trust your speed! Why would you? He kicked it! You kicked it! Why would he not pass it?
Jamil, you monkey!
Shout out to all the rugby players out there.
And the rugby players, you guys did great.
We're in here.
You guys really are?
Yeah, we are.
We love you. Shout us out. Keep up the good work. Follow me on Instagram _DSAL, Twitter, same name.
They know.
You got it. Okay. They rated R.
All right, well,
Don't listen to them.
We're not ready to learn. No, we're not.
We got the B game starting already. Sue's already talking to the enemy. Yeah, he's over there Shane. Talking to his horsey.
The pigs versus the horse.
We got Walt over there talking shit. Saying he got the Usos that got his back.
We got the trader right there, number 21.
21.
We got the other fat guy right there. On Walt.
Busters.
Right there.
This Buster right there. Hairy ass nigga. Our game will continue after these commercials.
Now live.
Now live.
Come on.
On wet booty. Knockout. We have our star.
My boy, that nigga.
Yup. Shout to you. All right, back to the game.
What's up? I ain't talking about wet boots.
Come, lads.
Must be nice, huh?
Come, lads.
Get it.
Yay! Come break the camera. Here, break the camera. Up here. There you go. Break it, break it. Say fuck you, Uncle Sue.